Are you one of those people who's struggling with a digestive health issue? Whether it's bloating, whether it's gassiness, whether it's constipation, whether it's heartburn, acid reflux. There's so many types of digestive issues out there, including serious ones such as colitis, irritable bowel syndrome. There's a lot more relating to colon health, cancer. Or are you one of those people who's just feeling tired, who's feeling sluggish? Or you have joint issues happening, whether it's back pain or it's hip pain, joint, knee pain. Or you're one of those people who's suffering from autoimmune disorders. There's a host of lot more which are related to gut health issues, including food sensitivities, environmental sensitivities, diabetes, a low immune system. You keep catching every cold that comes out there. Anxiety, depression, some of these mental health issues, hormonal imbalances, which happen in menopause, that happen in postmenopause. These are all issues, believe it or not, relating to gut health. Hi, my name is Sonia Sharma, and I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner. I focus on gut health because what I have learned as an Ayurvedic practitioner is the key to your well-being lies in the health of your gut. These issues can be resolved as long as you're committed, you feel ready to take that next step. How is this all related to gut health, you may ask? Well, I will tell you Ayurveda, which is the sacred science coming from India, which is the knowledge about life and also known as a sister science of yoga, has talked about this for thousands of years. It's not a fad diet. All our internal ecosystems are very different. And because our internal ecosystems are different, we need to have different types of diets, lifestyles. Each one of us is unique. And our gut is affected also by stress. Medical science has now proven that the gut-brain axis is real. Guess what? Ayurveda has understood this for thousands of years. All our happy hormones, like serotonin, is released in the gut. So when our ecosystem, our internal ecosystem is balanced, known as Agni in Ayurveda, we are able to have a better metabolic system where we're able to digest food well. We are also able to absorb nutrients well. I know clients who are eating very healthy, but their body is just not able to absorb those nutrients. And then there's others that get digestive issues so quickly. No matter what they're eating, they can't figure out what their body's even reacting to. This is called low Agni. And another factor that also contributes to digestive health is known as ama, known as toxins. And these toxins can be coming internally or they could be coming externally. So Ayurveda really is that science of understanding your gut health and what can we do to strengthen our digestive fire. So the 30-day digestive cleanse is all about this. And I want to help people. We did this program in 2024 for the first time with Dr. Suhas Kshirsagar, and it was a success. I saw firsthand what was happening to clients. Their digestive issues being resolved, brain fog, cravings going away. They surprised themselves. They were not even expecting this. Joint pain leaving the body. This is all possible. And I would like you to also learn from this. So we'll be having 4 cooking classes. You will also get access to 4 educational webinars with Dr. Suhas Kshirsagar and myself. You will also get a wonderful book called The Hot Belly Diet, written by Dr. Suhas, who is an internationally renowned Ayurvedic doctor. I hope you take this first step and you have the desire to go in a little bit deeper, because guess what? Your body is talking to you. Take care.